You need to come where you can actually blow on it, because I don't want the table exploding. Just saying.
We're going to sing Happy Birthday for Wesley.
I know.
Hey guys, you might... Hey, come on down and sing Happy Birthday to Wesley.
Is whispering count as singing?
No.
You have to sing actually.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Wesley! Happy birthday to you!
That's not canon.
I'll let him do it.
Oh my gosh! That's so ghetto.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wesley. Happy birthday to you. Okay, now everyone gets to play.
Yeah!
Okay, we're not swaying to our song.
Do it right now. Eat it.
Eat it with
the
Eat it. Soggy.
Here, there's plenty for everybody. I got 2 more boxes of that. I was looking forward to like cut that up
on video.
to the beach.
Do we have to walk a certain way?
No.
I'm itching my armpit.
We have to run. Run! Ah! Ah! Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun, 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 dun-dun-dun, 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 da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Hey cute stuff, what are you doing? Oh, push-ups, man. Oh, that's kind of hot. Yeah, I know. I keep on doing push-ups till the tide comes in.
Hey.
I think you saw me.
Hey.
Hey,
What?
hand the camera over so you get good shots of my teeth.
No.
You would probably get your butt beat.
That'd be a perfect shot.
No. Woman night, we don't really care.
Ah, it's cold. It actually wasn't that bad when I was
I went swimming up there, but I went.
I don't believe
I'm just not careful. Yeah. I was walking barefoot on the beach, and there was a stick, and I tripped over it while running from Andrew because I haven't.
They could have usually been a horseshoe crab shell.
I was running from you!
There's horseshoe crab shells all over the place and they're sharp.
No, it wasn't a horseshoe crab, it was a stick. I just got caught up.
Because I got like a holly leaf into my foot.
Oh yeah, you sound like
Hi.
I'm making our journey's adventure.
You should let me drive.
No.
Why?
Because.
I have my permit.
No.
Can I?
Jordan let me drive when I had my permit, so.
Can I?
I just don't trust anyone now, at all. Maybe later. Yeah.
I might drive home.
You videotaped. It's already recording.
Is it?
And it was on the line. I really mucked it up this time.
Good night. My mom just texted me.
Oh yeah, she's here,
No,
isn't she?
Yeah, Bob.
So, we just peed. Oh, and I'm driving a truck, and you're not pointing it at me?
I am.
For yourself, my man, you know that you have seen this all before.
What?
There's a car there.
Yeah.
My mom texted me, she's like, that was not a good idea.
I know.
Whatever. We was nice to it.
Well.
Except for that noise. There's even videos of us being fake. It's not your fault. Andrew's probably going to beat us up when we get back though.
It was your heart on the line. I really mucked it up this time. Didn't I, my dear? Didn't understand your wrong but mine. Your heart
I wonder if they'll be mad. Hey, Andrew has the same phone as me.
Does he?
Hey guys, it's a line.
Oh.
It's been more than 2 years they don't fit.
We can try. We can try. I have to have closed-toed brown shoes for tonight. Or, well, this
Okay, I'm scared, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Oh.
Are you videotaping this?
Do you need me to escort you to the bathroom?
I'm using I really do. I don't. That's what it was.
Hair in my truck.
Hey, come on down and sing happy birthday to Wes.
Happy birthday. Is whispering count as singing?
No.
You have to sing it.
That's so ghetto.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Do it.
Because it's hot over there.
I know, like I walked away from